喜发财，恭喜发财。
这里我们一起跟学一下官网上的 free sample 视频，有关 就是和止盈比较相关的内容。原视频课程中有2节课，这个视频是2节课的缩略版。我会在课程学习过程中，然后做一些补充。
In this video, I'm going to begin by talking about measured moves that are based upon a height of a line. In other words, a leg 1 equals leg 2 measured move. And then I'll talk about measured moves based upon the height of a trading range. And finally, measured moves based upon the height of a breakout. So here we have a bull trend, and here's the first leg up. Some computers will say it ended here. Others will say it ended here, and then we had a pullback, 1, 2, 3, and then the second leg. And then you can see the second leg up clearly started here, and it ended there. And this is the perfect leg 1, leg 2 measured move. First leg, pullback, second leg. Whenever there's a breakout, and it's fairly strong, traders will look for the second leg up, and their first thought is that the second leg will be about the same size as the first leg. Here we have a bull trend, pullback, and then a breakout of a wedge bull flag, 1, 2, 3, so clearly a breakout of a bear trend line. And it has a lot of bull bars, no bear bars, so probably if there's a pullback, there's going to be a second leg up. So traders buying the reversal up are looking to take profits around the same distance as the first leg traveled. So leg 1 equals leg 2 measured move. Here we have a strong reversal up. So traders are thinking that the market will probably have a second leg up. Maybe the second leg began here. No, maybe not. It's tested back down here. Same price level, but maybe this is the start of the second leg. So here we have a nested leg 1, leg 2 measured move. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. And the second leg subdivided into a smaller leg 1, pullback, leg 2. In fact, this second leg subdivided as well, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. In general, when a trend is strong, like during a strong breakout, traders expect that after a pullback, the trend will try to resume. And their first goal is to look for a second leg up that is about as big as the first leg. So here we have a strong bull breakout of a bear channel and a pullback. Traders will buy the pullback looking for a second leg up. Also, the first leg up can be the start of a bull trend, but it could also be simply a leg in a trading range. And at this point, we're still below this high with a lot of trading range price action. So this could be the first leg up in a two-legged move within a trading range. In general, the leg 1, leg 2 measured move target is the minimum goal after a deep pullback like this, and the market could continue up much further. This is the height of the first leg, pullback. Height of the second leg did not quite reach a leg 1, leg 2 target. Bulls hoping to get out there. When they saw this, they changed their minds and they got out here or here, and here the final bulls gave up. Very often, a leg 1, leg 2 measured move takes the form of a spike and channel bull trend. So very strong bull breakout, spike, pullback, channel, wedge channel, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. Spike and channel bull trend, channel, weaker trend than the bull breakout. And you expect it to evolve into a trading range. And if you look at this, this looks more like a bull leg and what will become a trading range. Bull bar, bad follow through, bull bar, bad follow through, bull bar, bad, right? So typically when you have a channel with bad follow through, the rally is probably a leg within a trading range rather than the start of a big bull trend. Bull channel, bear flag, you expect a bear breakout 75% of the time and an evolution into a trading range. I'm also, as a trader, always looking for as many signs that the market is topping out, or that a move is ending and that I should be taking profits, or even looking for a trade in the opposite direction. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, obvious. But whenever I see a strong breakout like this early in a trend, so here's a bear trend, early in the bull trend, a pair of very big bull bars, I like to look at the open of the first bar and the close of the final bar of the breakout. Sometimes the breakout is just 1 bar, sometimes it's 3 or 4 bars. And then I project up from the open of the first bar to the close of the second bar, and that also is an area where bulls will take profits. Trading range, probably will break out up or down, and then a measured move up or down. The measured move is the market going as far as it did when it was doing something before. It was doing this before, so a measured move means that I'm looking for a move after leaving that trading range. I'm looking for a move above that same height. Remember the market cycle, it alternates between trend and trading range. When the market's in a trading range, I'm looking for a measured move and a trend based upon the height of the trading range. Breakout bar, strong follow through, probable measuring gap, probably will get a measured move up based upon what took place before. Bottom of the range, top of the range. And you can see a lot of computers calculated that target and had limit orders waiting to take profits there, and bear computers were selling for scalps. Remember, trading range here is an area of agreement, and people tend to agree in the middle. So whenever the market goes up and then sideways, maybe this is the middle of the move, and therefore the middle of the range often is the middle of the move. So the market goes up sideways, and the middle of that trading range often is the middle of the final move. Bull breakout, and then an area of agreement, here's the middle of agreement. So maybe it'll go up as far as it was down before the trading range began. So a lot of times if you see a bull trend in a trading range, you look at the middle of the trading range and project out from the measured move, because there will be some bulls taking profits there and some bears selling there. Bull trend, trading range, area of agreement, people agree in the middle, so maybe this is the middle of the move up, middle of the range, and you can see we get vacuumed up in a strong bull breakout, but as soon as we get there, traders sold, bulls sold to take profits, bears sold to go short. Sell off in a trading range, area of agreement, so possibly the middle of the move, leg 1 down to the middle of the range, and then leg 2, bulls start to buy for scalps, bears start to take profits. In general, this type of measured move is minor. Most computers do not pay attention to it. Traders are more interested in the other types of measured moves that I talked about, like based upon the height of the trading range, or leg 1, leg 2 measured move. I talked about a leg 1, leg 2 measured move, the second leg up about the same size as the first. I talked about a measured move based upon the height of the trading range, but the market also has a measured move based on the height of the breakout. So bull breakout, I look at the open of the bull body and the close of the bull body, maybe we'll go up for a measured move. Bulls take profits and aggressive bears sell. Strong bull breakout, maybe we'll get a measured move up. 40% of the time, if you're going to get a measured move from a strong breakout, it'll be in the opposite direction. Strong breakout began here, top of the breakout, and maybe the highest close. Who knows? Different computers do different things. Maybe they'll start the measured move from here up to there. In any case, whenever I see a strong breakout, I'm looking for a measured move, and 60% chance if this win one, it'll be up. 40% chance break below the bottom of the bull leg there, or here, and then fall for a measured move down. So once you start to see a pretty strong bear reversal and 2, 3, or 4 consecutive bear bars, you got to be thinking that the first target is the bottom of the bull breakout, and then possibly a measured move down.
这里除了我们说这个 strong breakout， 它可以它的 major move 可以是任意的方向，可以往上，也是可以往下。我们也可以这样理解，就是这是 breakout strong breakout 立即的反转了。那么立即的反转就是大涨大跌，这里其实就是一个可以理解为一个 trading range。那么就是这个 trading range 的 MM 其实也是。
I look to see what happens at the bottom of the breakout. Is the market bouncing or is it continuing down? And you can see, well, we're continuing to get bear bars. So it looks like instead of reversing up at support the bottom of the buy climax or the bottom of the bull trend, it looks like we're continuing down. I'm starting to look at measured move projections to the downside. When the market gets there, especially if the bear trend is weakening like this, bulls will buy for scalps like below that low, and bears will begin to take profits. Opposite situation, strong bull breakouts, so maybe a measured move up based upon the open of the first bar to the close of the second bar. So whenever I see this, 60% chance we're going to get a measured move up, 40% chance we'll reverse down and get a measured move down. But the math is very good for buying. Traders will buy that close, 60, maybe 70% chance when the breakout is this strong that we'll go up for some kind of a measured move. Open of the bar, close of the bar at the end of the breakout. Here's a 2-bar breakout, and there's the measured move target. You can see bulls took profits and bears shorted. In general, especially when the rally is weakening like this, traders should take full or partial profits at an obvious resistance level like a measured move target. Opposite true with a bear breakout, very strong bear breakout, bad follow through, but very strong bear breakout, so possible measured move based upon the height of the breakout bar. 60% chance the measured move will be down. With this bad follow through, you got to be thinking it could also be up, break above the high of the sell climax and travel up for a measured move. We tried to break above the top of the sell climax here, tried again here, and we failed. The bulls see a head and shoulders bottom, and the bears see a double top or a triangle, 3 pushes up, 1, 2, 3, breakout move. Bulls will buy on a stop above the double top or above the triangle, and bears will sell on a stop below the right shoulder of the head and shoulders bottom, right below the low of the higher low. Here we have a bear breakout, but look what we got. We got around the measured move up based upon the height of that bear body. Bulls buy on a stop above this bar, that bar, or here, hoping to get the measured move up, which they got. The height of the bear body, measured move up based upon that height, and look what took place at that measured move target, reversed down strongly. And that tells you that bulls took profits and bears sold up there. Bears also sold, expecting at least a pullback big enough for a scalp, hoping for either a swing down or a trading range. In this video, I began by talking about leg 1 equals leg 2 measured moves. Next, I talked about measured moves based upon the height of a trading range. And finally, I talked about measured moves based upon the height of a breakout.
这边这个视频就结束了。我最后再补充一个小点吧。除了 TR 的 MM 以外，同类型的 MM 还有的，比如说失败的 Witch Bottom 或者是失败的 Witch Top， 它其实也是某种意义上其实也是一个 TR， 它是有1推2推3推，它是有一定的重叠的。这样的也可以以它的高点和低点来做 MM， 以及就我们常提到就是 Globex High 和 Globex Low 的上下的距离也是可以做 MM， 但是在实战中的话，以它做 MM 的达到的概率不是特别高。最常用的就是 BOM 这个 range， 就是 TR 的 MM， 就是突破的 K 线的 MM。一是大部分可能是 surprise bar， 就是一个比较大的 K 线，像图中这个很大的 K 线一样的 MM， 或者是我们连续的3根阳 K 线收在最高，像这边这一块的 MM， 像这样的。好，就到这里。